Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix can't install Windows 11 with error for ASUS users. First method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand System Devices. Right-click ASUS System Control Interface v3, click Uninstall Device. Type System Settings in Windows search bar, click View Advanced System Settings. Click Hardware tab. Click Device Installation Settings. No, click Save Changes. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Programs and Features. Select My ASUS app and ScreenXpert application, click Uninstall. Type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Right-click Disable. Now try to upgrade Windows 11, after update you can enable network adapter. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.